So till the previous class, we have discussed, uh, I think, agile. So just so today, we will discuss about the STLC. So that's also important for us, and even we'll discuss about how we'll do the testing and what are the some names we use in the projects and all. And if we have time, we will even discuss about the documents we use. Okay, or the types of testing. We'll start it. Okay. Okay. So there is this. So just like how we have this SDLC, even we have the STLC also. STLC means software testing life cycle. Means whoever is working on this uh, any kind of testing, they need to follow the this STLC. Means they have to follow some rules or some procedures they have to follow. So in that, what else we have? If I show you here, so these are some of the levels or the cycle, continuous repetitive cycle we will follow. What are those? Initially, we have this requirement analysis, same like SDLC. Whatever the requirement analysis means, let's write here. We have this requirement analysis, or we have this test planning, and we have, I think, test case preparation, or I would say test case development. Let's keep it test case preparation and environment setup and text execution and test cycle closure. Okay, so we follow this one. So we will go one by one. So in general, what exactly happens in this test requirement analysis means? So what are the stories coming up in the agile, in the scrum, or in a sprint? I told you, right? So for example, let's say in the current sprint means in this sprint, I took one story. I'm working on that. So what exactly happens in this phase? The requirement, they will provide some requirement documents. I told you, right? Did I told you? So we use this BRD or FRD. So related to business required document or functional requirement document, those documents are analyzed and we will validate it. And we will define the scope of testing. So in general, what exactly here happen means in this requirement analysis, for example, say in one of us, they are assigned with one story. Okay. Uh, create login page for create login page. They have uh, one story they have. So what exactly the entire details will be given in the story, how the page would be looks like, and what are the components they are as adding everything. So, for example, uh, they will even attach the documents also. We will go through entire the details, and we will come up with the test planning. Means the next phase, and we will do the scope of testing. Means in the scope of testing, whether this in this any details are missing, or whether the testing can be done, and what kind of testing we can do, that kind of details we will do it in this stage. Once this is completed, we'll come into test planning. So what exactly happened in this phase? Test planning strategy is defined. What exactly the test plan strategy we will discuss. Estimation of test efforts are defined. Okay. And what else we do? Uh, Along with the uh, we use we will select the tools we required. So test planning is nothing but so for example, we have a test lead, and we are around three people. We will go through entire the requirements, and we will say the efforts means the how much time I would take to complete the this testing. So I will say around 8 hours it take. Okay. Or else, like for example, I am assigned with maybe two stories. I will say this much time I require to complete entire uh, story or entire testing. And what is meant by test strategy or the plan test planning strategy? So initially, let's discuss the test planning. So test planning, what else we have? Like the main purpose is to whatever the testing we are doing. So what are the test cases we required? What kind of execution we can be done? Uh,